What's up, everybody? This is Stu with Storehouse Ventures, and I wanted to go inside, our business a little bit and show you kind of what we do to just keep things in track on all of our deals that we're working on, and kind of how we manage them on a daily basis. So this is just an Excel spreadsheet. We call it the deal tracker. It's pretty obvious what it is. Basically, it's a list of every deal that we're making offers on. And as you can see, we have quite a bit here of deals. Blue, highlighted blue means sold. Red means we made an offer, didn't get it accepted. And then green means we've made an offer and it's either been accepted or we've already purchased it. And then yellow are just blocks that we haven't filled in yet. So I'm just going to go through what a deal that we made an offer on, and we just found out that we got it accepted. So this is a deal on 60th that we made an offer on, and we just found out that they accepted the offer. So I'm just going to change the wording to accepted and make it green. And that's not really that big of a deal. But what we do next is we go to Asana, and this is some project management software that we use to keep us all on track. And we have kind of our favorite, we make projects basically. All these tiles are projects, and this is our waiting list of buyers. We have specific other projects that we want to do for future. And then every property that we plan on buying, we make it a separate project. So all these green tiles are houses that we either are planning on buying or have already purchased and are along the project currently going. Blue are archived projects that we've sold and completed, and pink are projects for accounting. We do accounting for every project just to make sure we're on track. So lots of different projects going on. So what I'm going to do is click on a more recent project that we've started. And inside the project, there are tasks, and I'm going to open up all of the tasks so you can see everything there. And you can see that a lot of these tasks have already been marked off as complete. And then there's lots of other tasks. And each task we can assign the task to one of the members of our team. And we can do due dates if we have certain due dates on them. So this is a project that we have going right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project, and all of these tasks in here are the same for every single project we make. And sometimes we'll add different tasks to it as we think of more things that need to be done to it. But what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate the project and go back to the address 4988 North 60th. We're going to do 4988 North 60th. And we're going to create a new project. So that's being created right now, and what it's going to do is take every single one of these tasks and create and put those under the same new project. So if we come here to this new project, now it is here, and we're going to put all tasks there. And what I'm going to do is start unchecking them because these are they haven't been completed yet. So I'm going to uncheck all of our tasks because this is a new project. And as I do that, I'm going to start, all that is done. And so I'm going to start kind of going through it. This is kind of the pre-closing section, secure money for project. We know we have money. We made an offer. We signed the purchase agreement, did that. We'll create a folder for it in Dropbox. I'll do that later. But then what I'm going to do is create and sync Slack. So Slack is another program that we use to communicate. And these are all, we create these channels. We create a channel for every house that we're currently doing. So what I'm going to do is create a new channel, and we're going to call it 4988 North 60th. and going to create that. And we're going to add our team members. We're going to add Robin and David and Gary. And that's going to be, so now we have a new project in Slack, or a new channel in Slack, and we're going to sync both Slack and Asana together. So we're going to do /Asana link, enter, and then we're going to pick the project 4988 North 60th, and that is done. So now everything in Asana will be linked to Slack. So let's go back to Asana one more time, and I will mark off that I created a sync Slack project with Asana right there. And what you'll notice is when you go back to Slack, it should update, which is a little lag there, but it should update with that I completed the project, or the task in Asana, and show that in Slack. Takes a little bit to do that, but as you'll see, this really helps us track everything that's going on with our properties. We everything from just the minor details of admin, from creating an accounting project, sending earnest money, doing the scope of work, completing lender's paperwork, sign closing docs, ensure insurance is placed. As you'll see, everything that needs to be done on a property is in here in Asana, and we can assign these tasks to our team members that are responsible for these, and assign due dates. And it really helps us keep track of everything we're doing, because as you can see, we have lots of different projects going on, and when you get quite a few different properties under rehab, sometimes it gets harder and harder to realize where you are on a project, and this is a really good way to communicate. So hope that gives you a little bit of insight into what we are doing at Storehouse 310, and maybe this will help you within your own business to get organized and get on track a little bit better. It's definitely helped us. Obviously, there's way more to do, and always opportunities to make the company and business better. But this is definitely a way to work on your business instead of in your business. So hope that helps, and hope everyone enjoys, and keep getting after it. Cheers.